Hey, third grade. We are on our last day of our build or design a house project. So just want to go over a little bit more about perimeter, since that is what the perimeter area is what this project has been based on. I hope you guys are wrapping it up and quickly getting it done. Please let me know if you have any questions. All right, which operation is most frequently used to find the perimeter of an object? Well, when we're finding the perimeter of an object, what are we doing? Or to find the perimeter of an object, what do we do? Good, we add up all of the sides. So we're not multiplying, we're adding, we're not dividing, and we're not subtracting. Now, if you have a square or you have a shape with all equivalent sides, could you multiply? You sure could, but adding is the most frequently used operation. Okay? Which is not a description of perimeter. What is not a description of perimeter? The distance around an object, the sum of all the lengths of the sides of an object, how far you would go if you walked around the outside of an object, or the space inside of an object. Which one is not a description of perimeter? Good job. The space inside an object is not the description of perimeter. What does that describe? Awesome. That describes area. All right. Which equation can be used to find the perimeter of the figure below? Well, we have a parallelogram. And what do we know about the sides of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are going to be equal. So if this is 10 yards, that is 10 yards. If this is 14 yards, that is 14 yards, okay? So which equation can be used to find the perimeter? Well, let's figure out our own equation, okay? I would start here and just go clockwise around my figure. 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 10 equals, okay? I'm not going to figure out what it equals right now because I just want to see if any of these equations match what I am finding. 14 plus 10. Could this be our answer? No, and why could that not be our answer? Good. They've only added 2 sides of my total 4 sides, so that cannot be my answer. Letter B, 14 minus 10. Could that be my answer? Yeah, that could not be our answer. Good job. And that could not be our answer. Why? Because we're subtracting for 1, and we only subtracted 2, and I have a total of 4 sides. Okay, letter C, 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 10. Could that be my answer? That could be my answer. That matches the equation that we wrote out. And then letter D, 14 times 10. No, that could not be your answer. Why is that not our answer? Good, we're multiplying, and we're multiplying the length and the width there. What when we multiply the length and width, what are we finding for our shape? Good, we're finding area. So the correct answer here is letter C. You guys are becoming perimeter and area experts. All right. Find the perimeter of the swimming pool. Okay, let's find the perimeter of the swimming pool. If this is 6 inches, what's this going to be? 6 inches. Awesome. If these are 3 inches, what are these two sides? 3 inches. Awesome. What do we do to find perimeter? We add up all of our sides. I'm going to add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And then I'm going to do 6 plus 6. So I added 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, 3 plus 3 is? Good, 3 plus 3 is 6. And if I know that 3 plus 3 is 6, that means that this is also 6. Good. 6 plus 6 is 12. Awesome. Okay, so I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, so I'm going to do 12 here. Plus 12. Okay, 12 plus 12 is 24 inches. Awesome job. All right, I hope that you guys are finishing up your project. Remember, you need to get that turned in today, so it's an expectation that all of the sides are completed. If you have any questions or need any help, please reach out to your teacher.